Search engines work by following a structured process to find, index, and retrieve web content based on user queries. Here's a breakdown of how they function. 1. Crawling search engines use automated bots called crawlers or spiders to explore the internet and discover new or updated web pages. These bots follow links from one page to another, continuously crawling the web to gather fresh content. 2. Indexing. Once a search engine crawler discovers a web page, the content is analyzed and stored in a massive database called an index. The index contains details like keywords, metadata, and other elements that help the search engine understand what the page is about. This allows the engine to retrieve relevant content when a search query is made quickly. 3rd, ranking. When a user types a query, the search engine looks through its index database to find pages that match the query. These pages are then ranked based on a variety of factors, including relevance to the query, how closely the page's content matches the search terms, quality and authority of the site, based on factors like backlinks and domain authority, user experience, page load speed, mobile friendliness, etc., freshness, how recent the content is, on-page SEO, how well the page is optimized with keywords, titles, and description. Displaying results. The search engine then displays a list of search results, typically in order of ranking, with the most relevant and authoritative pages appearing first. These are called search engine results pages, SERPs. Results can include organic listings, web pages, paid ads, and rich snippets like FAQs, images, or videos. 5. Continuous learning search engines like Google use machine learning and user data, click-through rates, bounce rates, etc., to continually improve their ranking algorithms. This helps ensure that users get the most relevant and high-quality results over time. The entire process happens in fractions of a second, making it seamless for users to find the information they need.